Round 1 of 2019 B1 Racing Fuels European Freestyle Championship took place on Saturday 15th of June right next to Tereza Joanne Bolt in King's George 5th Dock in London, United Kingdom. Freestyle competitors from places like Qatar, Poland, Belgium and of course United Kingdom competed in the multiple classes event put together by Freestyle Personal Watercraft Association and sanctioned by International Jet Sport Boating Association. In freestyle beginner class, second finished Tomasz Drążkiewicz from Poland on DDX by Team Extreme and powered by Team Extreme. First finished Michael Bergmans from Belgium on his Revolver R by Leestone Products, powered by Team Extreme.
Thanks, really happy. Weather's cold, so I'm glad it's over now. So very happy with the win.
In freestyle 800 class, third finished Dan Fitzpatrick from United Kingdom on Yamaha Superjet. Second finished Daniel Ritson from United Kingdom, also on Yamaha Superjet. And the winner in freestyle 800 class was crowned Paul Hewitt from United Kingdom on Yamaha Superjet.
Brilliant, I just really enjoyed it, really good fun. Quite a challenge talking after 2 minutes when you're getting on a bit, but yeah, really enjoyed it.
Third in freestyle 900 class finished Stephen Smith from United Kingdom on Revolver R by Leestone Products, powered by Tereza Racing. After tying for first and second place finished Adam Reynolds from United Kingdom on Revolver R by Leestone Products, powered by TPE. On first place and borrowed Revolver R by Leestone Products, powered by TPE, finished Jordan Aspinall, also from United Kingdom.
Well, obviously my ski broke at the beginning, and I felt like, you know, wasn't going good for me today. But thanks to Adam for letting me borrow his ski, and I was a bit nervous to start with, obviously, but yeah, it went good. I really liked it, really enjoyed it.
In freestyle 1200 class, third finished Badr Al Abdullah from Doha, Qatar on Revolver R by Leestone Products, powered by Team Extreme. Second finished Tanvir Hussain from United Kingdom, competing on Revolver R by Leestone Products, powered by Team Extreme. And the winner was crowned Cornel Babilec from Poland, competing on Richter by Rickroy Products, powered by Engine Tech.
Very good. Weather is not perfect, but all was good.
Since 2012, every FPWCA organized event, apart from regular 2-minute freestyle competition, also includes best trick competition. And round 2 of 2019 P1 Racing Fuels European Freestyle Championship in London was no exception. Hydroturf Best Trick Beginner Freestyle won Michael Bergmans. Hydroturf Best Trick Freestyle 800 won Paul Hewitt. Hydroturf Best Trick Freestyle 900 won Jordan Aspinall. And Hydroturf Best Trick Freestyle 1200 won Tanvir Hussain. Round 2 of 2019 B1 Racing Fuels European Freestyle Championship will take place on July 6th on Oder Lakes in Belgium. For more information, check out www.pwcfreestyle.eu. We'll see you all there.